What do they eat? Swans are feathered creatures of the family Anatidae inside the sort Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives incorporate the geese and ducks. Swans that live in new water ordinarily like lake grass, shake greenery, and widgeon grass. They take the mollusks which cling to the vegetation, additionally eat little angle, frogs, and worms. The characteristics of swans incorporagi, and they have long, bended necks and hugefit, which make them effectiswism. Swans are almost entirely herbivorous and mainly eat the leaves and stems of vegetation underwater. They also eat algae, roots, and tubers that they get by digging into the substrate.